Hi, my name's Lisa Freeman. I have today attended Joe Davis' workshop for a recruitment startup. The reason being is I've worked in recruitment for 15 years and I've taken a few years out of the recruitment industry and my career took another path. I saw Joe's advert and thought it was very interesting, and I've spent a few hours with him today. His workshop is informative, up to date, and gives good facts and figures on the recruitment industry and the market as a whole in today's economy. And I will be taking that on in the future in relation to my recruitment business. I live in Cambridgeshire. My trip was definitely worthwhile. I was just a bit nervous going back into the recruitment industry, and Joe just sort of confirmed that I'm on the right path, and maybe with a little bit of Joe's help, then my recruitment business will flourish and prosper. I was a manager of a recruitment agency, and I worked for some of the big recruitment agencies such as Brook Street, Prime Time, and Hales Health and Social Care. Although my recruitment is out of date, you can't teach someone recruitment experience or how to be a salesperson or sort of how to do that kind of work. So Joe just, put the spoke back in the fire to, and just reignited my passion for recruitment, and he's helping me go forward basically. The information received today, from what I can gather, was very, very useful, and yes, anybody looking to start a recruitment business with no recruitment experience, this I think would help them make more sense of the recruitment industry and how to take a business forward and start earning an income from a recruitment agency. I think anyone looking to make an income, yes, I would recommend you from the information I've received today, and yeah, anyone looking to go into recruitment or to make a living out of placing people. A lot of people like to place their friends, family. Finding somebody the perfect job really is a rewarding industry and a good career. If you like helping people and you know that kind of stuff, then this role is for you. I couldn't find any fault with the process today. The offices are easy to find, the staff are pleasant, there's refreshments. I can't see that you could have done anything better.